Imagine a world where extinct animals, like the dire wolf and woolly mammoth, walk the earth again. It sounds like science fiction, but Texas-based Colossal Biosciences is boldly pushing the boundaries of science to make this vision a reality. On August 20th, the company announced a major step forward: the launch of Colossal Australia, an initiative focused on restoring lost species and rejuvenating fragile ecosystems in a country deeply affected by extinction. Australia faces a heartbreaking reality. It has the highest mammal extinction rate globally. Andrew Pask, PhD, a respected biologist who has advised Colossal for years, is stepping into a pivotal role as the chief biology officer, leading this innovative endeavor. It's an absolutely fascinating job that merges hands-on conservation work in the field with cutting-edge lab science, Pask explained, emphasizing the broad scope of this mission. Pask currently spearheads the Thylacine Integrated Genomic Restoration Research Lab, TIGR, at the University of Melbourne. This lab has enjoyed partial funding from Colossal, and now, with the company's expansion, TIGR will officially become part of Colossal Australia, solidifying the relationship and accelerating progress. Why Australia? The continent's unique wildlife has been devastated by factors like invasive species and habitat destruction. The thylacine, often called the Tasmanian tiger, is a prime example. Once a top predator the northern quoll, a small marsupial endangered with extinction within a decade, is heavily impacted by the invasive cane toad, which releases a lethal toxin the quoll cannot tolerate. Colossal's plan? Use precise genetic editing to tweak a single gene, making the quoll resistant to the toxin. This subtle but powerful intervention could restore the predator-prey balance and curtail the cane toad's spread. This plan highlights the larger, urgent mission facing scientists today, combating the global loss of biodiversity. We have to save countless species currently imperiled, Pask stressed, touching on the broader implications for ecosystems and ultimately planetary health. But here's where it gets controversial. De-extinction technology isn't without its critics. The idea of tweaking genomes to recreate or mimic extinct species raises ethical and philosophical questions that have stirred lively debate. J. Odenbaugh, a philosophy professor at Lewis and Clark College who has extensively studied the ethics of this technology, expresses caution. When you create a dire wolf or a woolly mammoth in this way, what you actually get is a look-alike, not the original animal, he said. His concern extends to the welfare of these engineered creatures, pointing out that research in private corporations may not face the strict ethical oversight required in academic settings. Odenbaugh also worries about the ecological risks, especially in Australia. History shows that introducing species to control others has often backfired, leading to even greater environmental challenges. Are we ready to risk repeating these mistakes? He questions. Pask acknowledges these concerns but argues that the stakes are too high to remain passive. Morally and ethically, we have an obligation to act, he said. Harnessing genetic technologies to restore biodiversity is possibly the only way to build resilient ecosystems capable of stabilizing our planet again. This clash of ethical viewpoints begs a pressing question for all of us. Should we intervene so profoundly in nature, or is some loss inevitable? And if we do intervene, how do we ensure it's done responsibly, balancing hope with caution? Your thoughts on this groundbreaking, yet contentious field are welcome. Do you believe de-extinction is humanity's next great breakthrough? Or are we opening a Pandora's box we aren't prepared for? Join the conversation and share your perspective.